Hello nomads! Welcome back to our channel, we.nomads, where we explore hidden gems and embrace the nomadic life. Today, we're taking you to a breathtaking escape in Compostela, Davao de Oro, a camping site known as Salinas Ridge. Tucked away in the serene barangay Kilabot. Capture a sense of adventure and come along as we experience another memorable camping journey.
We're on top.
Can we go back down?
From Davao City, it's about a 2.5-hour drive. The ride itself is a part of the adventure.
Office spot.
Along the way, the craving of coffee hit us. We stumbled upon a charming roadside cafe. Inside, the aroma of freshly brewed beans filled the air. Their drinks were rich and smooth.
Hindi available? Oh. Ayun na lang, cheesecake. Cheesecake ba yan? That one. Wanna try that? Okay, I will try that. O, try mo na lang yung cheesecake.
But what truly won us over was their Italian cheesecake. Creamy, delicate, and unforgettable. A definite must try if you're ever on this road. As we continued, we couldn't help but admire the beautiful highways of Mindanao, wide, well-kept, and lined with lush greenery. They added a calm rhythm to our trips. There's a saying that fits moments like this. Some roads aren't meant to be driven fast. They're meant to be savored, like a quiet evening around the campfire. And that's exactly how it felt. Every turn was a reminder to slow down and simply enjoy the journey. We arrived between 4 and 5 in the afternoon, and it's a rainy camping day. Setting up camp was easy with the fresh mountain air keeping us energized. The moment our tents were ready, we headed straight for the pool, a refreshing welcome after the drive.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not. Time for it all. Bravery of history.
After a quick swim, we settled back to our campsite for dinner. There's something magical about eating under the stars, with nothing but a cool breeze and the distant sound of nature.
The emoji at school and house. When Shiloh was doing the going to house, her mom appeared and like
Really?
kissed, and she used her hands.
Her mom too?
No, she used her two hands, like
And of course, our favorite camping ritual, the bonfire. The warmth of the flames, the sparks dancing into the night sky. It's a moment that never gets old. The next morning greeted us with pure serenity, towering trees, gentle mountains, open skies, and the sweet chorus of birds. Waking up like this feels priceless. I'm reminded that true wealth isn't material. It's a quiet and hurried moments with the people you love.
on.
Yeah, this one. You hold it.
About
Yeah, that's one.
good, good morning, nomads. We arrived here last night and it was raining, but we had shade.
We have roof.
We have a roof, I meant.
Yeah, so
So we went. Excuse me. I had sneeze. Let's restart. Good morning, nomads. We're looking for a good day today.
Forward
Looking forward
to a good
to
day today.
to a good day today. Last night
We swam.
we swam, and we
is the
ate.
water cold
No, a
in the
bit
pool?
warm, a bit warm.
Okay. But the rain stopped, right?
But the rain stopped.
And I think it's going to be, we're going to have a good weather today.
I think we're gonna have a good weather today, because I don't see any gray cloud or black.
In the clouds.
So I saw like chickens.
Hmm.
And they're waking you up.
Eh?
Yeah.
How?
So fun.
And I was kind of sleeping, I think, too long.
Yeah.
And the chickens or rooster had been trying to wake me up.
Yeah.
But I woke up
Late.
late.
Okay, look at you.
I kind of woke up late, eat, and I was drinking my Milo. Mostly I drink
Because
my,
because we forgot your sikwate,
what's it called?
Chocolate.
the chocolate, the
Yeah,
native chocolate.
yeah, we forgot that. Mostly back Mostly back home, we kind of have two different routines in back home in camp. The good the morning routine at back home, we drink tea, but in camp my parents drink coffee and I drink hot chocolate.
Are you excited for next year? We're going van life.
Yes.
Super excited.
Mm-hmm. Me and
Why? Why are you excited?
I could like spend time with you more. Mostly, me and my parents are planning to van life when I homeschool.
You can visit many places,
Yeah,
right? You can visit the places that they're uh, showing you
In
in
school.
in school on the books, the
yeah,
one you read about.
yeah.
Hello.
I think they
Mostly, when I was googling about bats are blind,
Bats
they
are blind.
no, they're not this whole time. At first, me and Dad thought they were blind.
that's what they said
Oh, really?
before. They use radar sonar.
Mostly, I was watching YouTube shorts, and a man said when there were the bats face, they said bats were not blind, but I did not believe it. But I was wondering, so I go
Research.
researched it by borrowing Dad's phone and realized this whole time the bats were not blind. But my dad said the Philippines has a bat called the flying fox.
The biggest.
It's the biggest bat in the whole world.
And then we're going mountain hiking. Okay,
It's mountain.
you're going up in the mountain by walking.
What do we need to bring?
We'll
Your
just
own
bring
backpacks.
Yeah, we'll just bring our small tent, and then we will bring our own backpacks. We'll buy you backpack also.
It is gonna be big for me.
No, just a small one.
How small? This
Like
small?
Like that.
No,
this.
no. This
Yeah.
or
Or
this?
bigger. Or bigger. Let's
Just a
see.
small one.
This
Daddy will bring the big one.
of our important things.
Yeah.
But what do I bring in my small hiking bag?
Your clothes.
Your clothes.
That's it.
Your snacks.
So I just leave my devices.
Yeah, because no, you can just bring your phone so you can take pictures and video. You greet Joaquin, the twins. Hi, Joaquin. See you next summer.
I see it on the
Yeah,
video.
yeah,
Just in
yeah.
case you
Yeah,
it
we
was.
watch it. Come on.
Hi Joaquin and hi twins.
What's the name of the twins?
Justine and
Justin
Louise.
and Willis.
And how about Scott?
And hi Scott.
I'll see you
I'll see you
in the
in the summer.
summer.
Hope you can join us camping.
Hope you can join us camping and be in like one of the videos in the
Yeah.
camping videos. Who's what?
Do it again.
Why are they like shy? That's why they're named Shy.
Yeah.
They're like, ah!
Or you were so scared to this
Why?
like that.
I realized. I thought they were alive players.
Camping also gives us the chance to teach our daughter Danny little life skills. Today, she helped with cooking lunch, laughing as she learned. These are lessons she can carry forever, far beyond the campsite. Oh,
Okay.
I made another mistake. But that's okay, right?
so this one. But nature always keeps things interesting. That evening, a sudden storm rolled in. Thankfully, we were ready. Our big awning tent shielded us from the rain and gave us a cozy refuge. Instead of ruining the trip, added a new layer of excitement, proof that preparation turns challenges into adventures. The following day, we introduced Danny to her very first hike, a short but fun slope near the campsite. Her excitement made it even more rewarding.
I like hiking.
Yeah. Nakita din namin tong hill. Very steep hill.
How can we go back down? This is the pointless exercise.
Yeah.
But and oh, but we have a problem. If we're gonna
We're
go
on
back
top.
down, how can we go back down?
Back at the camp, we treated ourselves to something special. Roasted native chicken, cooked to perfection, smoky and flavorful. We enjoyed it boodle fight style, eating with our hands, sharing food, laughter, and stories. These little things, new taste, shared moments, are what makes nomadic living so enriching. Trips like this remind us why we chose this lifestyle. Camping slows time, reconnects us with nature and with each other. When you step away from the noise of city life, you remember how simple happiness can be. A good road, a crackling fire, a family meal, the sound of rain on a tent. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to we.nomads for more camping and travel adventures across the Philippines. Drop a comment below. Have you visited Salinas Ridge or discovered a hidden campsite of your own? What's your favorite camping memory? We'd love to hear your stories. Until the next adventure, nomads, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep living free.
Hey!